Hello friends, thank you so much for stopping in to the Keep It Real Fun Collab. Our host is Miss Michelle from the Age Graceful channel, and these are the ladies that participated. Their names and channel link will be in my description box. Everyone created their own Easter look. Aren't they adorable and so beautiful? Thank you so much for stopping in and watching. Hope y'all having a blessed day. Friends, thank you so much for stopping by. On today's video, I am going to show you some of my techniques I have learned along the way, and I'm still learning in this. So I already primed and moisturized my face, and this foundation is from Too Faced. It's called Dewy the Do You foundation, and it says it's full coverage. And because my skin is normal to dry, I need just a little dewy, but just not too much. And that is what I'm going to apply here. And a lot of times I do it with a beauty blender or with a little makeup sponge, or I can do it with my fingers because I always use my fingers. And what I'm going to also apply is Born This Way. Now the Born This Way is the matte finish. It is from Too Faced also, and that color is Butter Pecan, and the previous color is Butterscotch. So between these two, I'm going to blend it, and this is going to be my set foundation. And while I'm doing this, I'm talking to my grandkids because they are here for the spring break. So if you see me talking, that's what I'm doing. So that's what I'm voiceovering. But here I'm using the brush to apply it. But sometimes I use my fingers or a beauty blender. Grateful Miss Michelle for inviting me in this collab, Keeping It Real collab, and all the beautiful young ladies that is participating with us. Please watch their channels. All their names and links will be in my description box. And I thank you so much for coming along with us, watching, liking, and subscribing. So as I'm watching this and putting this together, girl, go back a little bit on that forehead some more. So guys, I am still a beginner learning a lot of this. And this is the concealer I'm using by e.l.f. The original one I bought was from Walmart, and it's a cinnamon color. And this one here I'm using, it says it's cinnamon. I ordered on Amazon, but the color is a little lighter, but it still works. But I still have a little bit of the other one, so I'm going to mix both of these. And I find out a lot of times mixing concealer does help with the under eye darkness. Now concealers work better for me if I just let it dry a little bit, and it seems like it works better. Now I don't know about nobody else, but it works better. Just have to let it dry. Not over dry, but just dry a little bit and it works. And also, as you see, I do not apply my makeup in the routine as I see other ladies doing YouTube, because I'm used to just wearing foundation, eyeliner, mascara, a little lip gloss, and that is it. So I just do those eyes later on. Maybe later on I can do the eyes first, but just it seems to work for me. So I hope everyone is having a blessed and prosperous day. And this is my Easter look. Hope y'all enjoy this. This is just a second concealer, and both are from e.l.f. And this is my Sasha Buttercup setting powder I use for under my eyes. And also, if you find yourself put too much powder on, and sometimes I do that, I just use a paper towel and I begin to just blot some of it off if it looked too powdery to me. But most of the time, if you don't use too much and you put the face setting spray, it does set well. I'm just going to put just a little bit of concealer on my eyes for the eye shadow. Thank y'all so much for watching. And as I'm learning this, I know I need more lighting, and the lighting is a little off, but I am going to work on trying to make a better lighting. This is my first time doing this with Miss Michelle and these ladies, so I hope this come out blessed. The color palette eyeshadow I'm going to use is from Mary Kay, and it's called Rock the Runway. And I want that dark blue and royal blue and silver. Those are the colors that I want to put on for the soft glam look. Hope that this come out, guys. Friends, I'm going to be honest, because of the lighting, it was so hard for me to get this to match the way I usually get it. So I wanted to use some soft glitter, but everything was just not going right. I'm going to be honest with you. I stopped and I took it back off and I did it again. I don't know what the problem was. The brushes was not giving me the look I wanted. So I ended up getting a Q-tip, and I'm telling you, and I finally got it all right. And sometimes you have to do that. If it's not working, instead of keep applying makeup, a shadow or whatever, go take it off and try it again. Friends, I did use my brushes to blend the shadows together. And after the eyeshadow, I will contour and add my lashes and just do a little touch up on my eyebrows, because I really already have thick eyebrows, so I don't have to do too much to that. And everything else I will do off camera, because my lighting will not allow me to really see what I'm doing the way I need to. So I need to go into another part of the house to get better lighting. But I hope this for that I've helped you. And like I said, just little things I've learned, and whatever works for you, honey, you do it. So I thank y'all so much for watching. And friends, here's my finished look for Easter. This is my soft Easter glam color. So please tell me what you think. And guys, I'm telling you, as I'm learning in this, every little step, I'm getting a little bit better. Lipstick color is a silver color I have on, and the eyelashes is Remy Eye Envy lashes. So I hope that you like this, and I thank Miss Michelle for this collaboration. And friends, please stop by the other channels. Thank you so much. God bless you, love you, and have a blessed night. Bye-bye.